Hello and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com where you can learn more about our online GED and HiSET program. So now on to our lesson for the day. Here's what our test item may look like. If y equals 3x plus 12 and y equals 5, what is x? Here we have our four options. We have A, 7/3, B, 3/7, C, -7, and D, -7/3. So now let's get into our lesson. From our family to your family, Your Path would like to wish everyone a happy Easter. So now in order to solve this particular problem, the first thing that you want to do is you want to take into account all of the information that you have available to you. So when we look at this particular equation, we have if y equals 3x plus 12 and y equals 5, what is x? So we do have the value of y because we have y equals 5, even though we have here y equals this equation here. We also know that we need to find x because that's what the question is asking us to do. So what is x? So now we're going to rewrite this equation so that we can insert the value of y into our equation. So when we do that, knowing the value of y is 5, we're going to put 5 where y is equals 3x plus 12. And so now we have our new equation and now we're going to solve for x. We're going to do that by first getting rid of our 12. So we're going to minus out the 12 because we have a plus 12 here on both sides because what we do on one side, we must also do on the other side. Bring down our equal sign. We know that we have now crossed out our 12s, so we have gotten rid of the 12. And here we're going to bring down our 3x. Now we have a -12 plus 5, so we're going to subtract, giving us -7 because we're going to take the sign of the greater number. So in this case, we're now going to get rid of our 3 so that we can isolate our x. We're going to do that by dividing because the opposite of multiplication is division. What we do on one side, we're going to also do on the other side. This then will allow us to get rid of our 3, leaving us with x because 1 times any number will give you the value of that number. And so now we know that the value of x is x equals -7/3. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.